Director wethu General Manager wawa Corporate Services Mr. Khumalo, ama-media houses akhona bakwethu la namhlanje ekseni, istaff sonke nje somkhandlu uMkhanyakude, I extend my greetings to you. Ngoba vese igcina ilendela emphakathini, siyabingelela izakhamuzi nabahlali base Mkhanyakude district. Ngicabanga ukuthi umhlonishwa uMayor wabalulile ama issues akhona, as he have correctly indicated ukuthi njengale leadership entsha i-council ngomhla ka-3 October yathatha i-decision yokuthi ifisa ukuthi umasipala manje uholwe ngalendlela oholwa ngayo, njengoba sinobuso busha in terms of the political leadership of the municipality. So ke umuntu ke was angazi noma ngokuthi was fortunate ukuthi appointwe ukuthi abambe leli office lika municipal manager as an acting municipal manager starting from umhla ka-6 October. Now uma singena ke e-office kunezinto ezibalulekile ukuthi sizenze. One is to conduct a full exercise assessment in terms of status quo, particularly on the finances of the municipality, on the service delivery of the municipality, as well as the machinery of the municipality, which is our employees of the municipality. So we've embarked on that exercise, firstly as a management. So we resumed duties of the acting MM ngomhla ka-6, which is last week. Immediately singene office, we were able to hit the ground running, senze le assessment so that sikwazi ukupresenta before council ukuthi isimo somkhandlu simi kanjani. So the council ihlalile ngomhla ka-13, which is last week, which is last Monday, ebese kuyona izobuka isimo somkhandlu ukuthi simi kanjani. We must indicate members of the media and honorable councillors and members of the public ukuthi isimo sethu in terms of our finances, we are one of the municipalities which we can say were identified as a financially distressed municipality. Umasipala financially distressed kusho ukuthi usukunakho ukuba neyinkinga in terms of our finances. The assessment conducted treasury and brought a report before the council ngomhla ka-26 July 2025. It indicates as such because uba nento treasury ayishuishayo engama early warning signals ukuthi lo masipala uzohamba ube neyinkinga. But again, we felt as a management of the municipality ukuthi sometimes you don't need an external person, body, to assess you and tell you ukuthi uneyinkinga kuphi. Uma wazi umsebenzi owenzayo, you should be able to identify your own challenges so that it will be easier for you ukuthi ukwazi to come up with ama intervention or ama recovery or a turnaround strategy for the municipality. We've successfully done that. After the detailed assessment that we've conducted, we've then developed a turnaround strategy, which how are we turning around the municipality. Mhlawumbe ngizothi expanda kancane on the issues that were raised by the Honorable Mayor as challenges of the municipality, and then also indicate a turnaround strategy, which how are we turning that around, because what is important for us as the institution in terms of management as well as the governing structure of the institution, ukuthi singagcini ngokuthi kuneyinkinga hayi imali ayikho, imali mayingekho so what, sinenkolelo ukuthi ke kufanele siqhamuke nento ethi siyenza kanjani ukuthi imali ibe khona emkhandlwini. A brief overview in terms of isimo seyimali esingasinikeza sibukile i-performance kamasipala the past 3 years from 2023 June financial year ethi enda ngoJune, from 2023 June, 2024 and 2025. Iyas indicatela ukuthi asuvali kahle unyaka njalo masivala unyaka. There is a decline in the finances of the municipality. Ake ngithathe nje one financial ratio, imali zomasipala zikalwa lento esibiza ama-financial ratios. U-2023 June mangabe sivala unyaka, we're sitting on a cash coverage ratio of -1.8. So ngokwenorm ka-treasury umasipala kufanele i-ratio ngamanye masithi cash coverage ratio, i-ratio esho ukuthi umasipala ungakwazi ukuphila isikhathi esingakanani mangathiwa kungena imali in the municipality. So ngokwenom ka-Treasury for bonke omasipala abakhona eSouth Africa fanele ukwazi ukuphila okungenani between 1 to 3 months. So ngamanye amazwi mayingangeni imali kuthiwa nje namhlanje angeni lutho fanele umasipala ukwazi ukuphila 3 months. So i-situation umasipala akusona i-situation sokuthi sine-negative cash coverage ratio ukuthi asikwazi ngeke sikwazi ukuphila izinyanga ezintathu mangathiwa ingeni imali namhlanje. So okuyisimo ke esingekho desirable, but ke we cannot lament about that bese sigcina la kufanele sibuke ukuthi senza kanjani ukuya phambili. So ke isimo sethu as umkhandlu in terms of our finances as of today similar. Mawubuka ama-assets ethu versus ama-liabilities omkhandlu, i-ratio yethu ithi in terms of assets and liability, which is your current ratio, fanele ama-assets akho 2:1. Ngamanye amazwi onakho when we speak of ama-current assets, you speak of your cash available, your investments, your assets ongakwazi ukwakhesha immediately makuthiwa udinga ilokungana imali, fanele abe more than ikweletu. So i-situation yethu njengamanje ithi ama-assets esinawo they are a little bit lesser than izikweletu zethu. So i-ratio yethu ke okusho ukuthi akusona isimo esi-desirable noma isimo esikahle for a municipality. So ama-assets they are lesser than ama-liabilities. Okufanele ke i-leadership noma i-management kamasipala ekhona fanele ke ithi turn around the situation. Umhlonishwa umeya useyikhulumile indaba ye-dependency ratio yethu ukuthi we are highly dependent on ama-grants. So in terms of i-dependency ratio, I mean imali esiba nazo njengomkhandlu omkhanya kude 84% wethu is coming from ama-grants kuhulumeni omkhulu. We are only generating i-revenue wabamele athe 145 million, which amounts in terms of percentage, which amounts to 16% of i-revenue esizigeneratela zona yona. Uphinde wakhuluma babeya ngesikweletu esinazo ukuthi our debtors book is sitting at roughly around 309 million, which is not a good debtors book. Okufanele siyiclean one ngendaba yokuthi kufanele siphume sakhe iplan yokuyoqoqa izikweletu kubantu abasikweletayo, because we've been very poor on that side. Kufanele abantu okufanele siba-write off izikweletu esazindala kakhulu okufanele sizi-write off, kufanele senze lowo msebenzi lo. So ke ngale leadership noma ne-management ekhona inaleyo obligation okufanele iyenze with speed. So ke i-council njengoba ngisho ukuthi ihlalile-ke yasisibuka sonke lesi simo in terms of isimo se-finance, ngoba masingakhuluma manje mawuhlanganisa umasipala senzela ukuthi umphakathi wazi ukuthi umasipala wethu umi kuphi. Mawuhlanganisa isimo sikamasipala manje in terms of i-deficit esinayo, sine-deficit ka-233 million as a municipality, okuyisimo esingekho desirable. Ngicabanga we all understand ukuthi kusho ukuthini lokho. So ke leyo nto leyo iyayicripplisha i-service delivery, but ke kufanele ukwazi ukucheck-a ukuthi yini elidela to that, so that you are able to deal with that. Ukuthi ke lo 233 million sidila kanjani nawo, so uklearisha kanjani ukuze umasipala usale une-account e-positive. Mase une-account e-positive ukwazi ukuhambisa i-delivery. Abantu basemkhanya kude balindela amanzi ukuthi bathola amanzi kuhulumeni wabo, but mawubuka ukuthi ama-operations ethu esenza sibe ne-deficit engaka ukuthi ke amanzi abantu bazokwazi ukuwathola. The answer is no. So we must clear that and devise a plan. So ke sine-plan esiyidevelopile sayipresenta before i-council. I-council yathatha isinqumo sokuthi iyayi-approve. We call it i-financial improvement plan and recovery plan. I-plan esiyidevelopele yona as a municipality. Mhlambe kwamanye ama-instances umasipala osuke ukulesi simo esikusona uye kudinga ukuthi uthola ama-intervention in terms of section 139 1B and so on. We must indicate ukuthi umasipala wasemkhanya kude from 2019 it has been under section 139 1B intervention, but isimo asikaze sibe ngcono. Mawubuka njengoba sihlehla back ukuthi mawubuka ukuthi ama-financial years wavala njalo ngo-negative iyakutshela ukuthi there has no improvement. So must check ukuthi mapha ama-plan abekhona sathola ukuthi ayikho i-plan strong esike yapresentwa noma yadevelopwa ukuthi ithi turn around the situation. Hence that is why ngomhla ka-13 i-council ihlalile yathatha isinqumo ukuthi is going to approve le plan. This plan is very strong ngakolunye uhlangothi ihash ngoba inezinto eziningi esho ukuthi kufanele ziyekwe emkhandlwini ukuze umkhandlu ukwazi ukusimama ngokwesimo sezimali. Mhlawumbe ngiqale nje okokuqala ukuthi one in terms of i-revenue yethu kwezeyimali i-plan yethu ikhomba ukuthi one kufanele siyo-improve kwezeyimali. Funa kunama-policies nama-bylaws okufuna kabe khona in place. So le plan esiyidevelopile it's going to take us 8 months. So le leadership ekhona ethi 8 months umkhanya kude fanele uphumile nje ekuthenini uneyinkinga zezeyimali, and it is doable if the municipality inayo i-machinery capacitated and well-oiled machinery to do so. So ilezo zinto esithe sizozenza. Okunye ubamele sekuthintile ukuthi one kunabantu abangakhokhi isidala abasikweleta will go all out ukuyoqoqa imali kamasipala. If ama-service umasipala ukunikezela wona kulaba abanikezela so kufanele siqoqe leyo mali leyo. For instance sinabantu ama-households imizi ewu-56,000 I'm sorry okufanele ngabe siyayibhila kodwa njengamanje umasipala ubhila only 6,000 wemizi. So we are saying let difference le mizi engaka almost 50,000 wabantu kusho ukuthi bathola amanzi mahala, hayi ngoba bequalify ukuthi bawathole mahala. Bakhona abantu abaqualify ukuthi bathola amanzi mahala kodwa khona abantu okufuneka bawakhokhele. Ngicabanga ukuthi njengathi siyizakhamuzi la emkhanya akufanele amanzi siwathole mahala, kufanele siwakhokhele. So 56,000 okufanele ngabe uyawakhokhela amanzi but only 6,000 owakhokhela. So ungahluboneke ukuthi yini edala isimo singabi nje. So sesu-identifyile lo 56,000 we are in a process ke yokuthi senze i-data yethu ibe kahle ukuze sikwazi ukuqala siqoqe lezi imali. So njengamanje si-collect imali roughly around 3.8 million a month. Uma si-implementa le plan izosenza si-collect about 27 million in a month. So ungahlubuka ukuthi improvement izoba ngakanani. Another issue ile yoku-engageana nama-communities namadolobha la asemkhanya kude where unabantu aba-affordayo ukuthi bakhokhe. So we've said that we are starting a program esiqala manje ngo-October yokwenza ama-engagements. In other words, we are announcing that program especially kuma-urban areas ukuthi we will be starting ama-engagements with them ukuze sikwazi ukuqoqa izimali zethu. But ngakolunye uhlangothi we are incentivizing, we are going to incentivize labo abasikhokhelayo sibanikeze nama-relief, sibanikeze ne-amnesty esizoyi-pronounce futhi very soon in terms of those people asebenesikweleti esikhulu mhlawumbe esingasekho affordable. So we will be looking at that. But also kunabantu bethu aba-indigent abangathathi entweni. We are saying sizobagroupa kahle ukuze bakwazi ukuthola ama-benefits okufanele bawathole. Kodwa enye program esicabanga ukuthi inkulu kakhulu ezokwenza umehluko in terms of ukuqoqa izimali zethu i-program yoku-installa ama-meters. Most of ama-households awanawo ama-meters. In terms of ama-meter wamanzi, in terms of ama-meter wagesi, sinamadolobha noma siney'ndawo umasipala la oprovide khona one-license yokudistributor ugesi. Dolobha laseNgwavuma umfane eMtubatuba. We are saying then we are installing ama-meters and siyacela ukubambisana nomphakathi wakithi must install ama-meters kunomehluko omkhulu okwenzayo just nje on the side of ugesi ama-prepaid meters. Kodwa futhi i-council ithatha isinqumo sokuthi kuney'ndawo engamadolobha ezisupplyayo Eskom ezine-potential yokuthi leyo revenue iyi-generate thina. We are saying we are now capable ukuthi singakwazi ukuthatha over lezo indawo like abo St. Lucia okwamadolobha well established ukuthi kube yithi esireticulate ugesi so that sizoboosta i-revenue base kamasipala. And then ngakolunye uhlangothi esingakumemezela ukuthi sizokwenza indawo zibe ningi la umkhandlo omkhanya kude otholakala khona. Asenze sibonele when you go to eNgwavuma asinayo indawo yokuthi abantu bathenga ugesi but yithi supply ugesi. So we are saying we are going to have a kiosk ezoba khona eNgwavuma because uthenga online kuphela. Unendawo efana noMsane where une-population more than ama-households are more than 1,000 ofanele athenge ugesi, ofanele alungisele ugesi, ofanele aserviseke eduze, but you don't have an office. So we are saying we are going to resuscitate ukuba nama-satellite offices. You go to St. Lucia again, and ngicabanga ukuthi akekho umuntu ongayazi St. Lucia uhlobo lolu ledolobha. Similar thing. You don't have access ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukuthola umasipala eduze, so we are going to have those facilities. But again, we've identified other areas like Agos-Kemelele, like Gombazwana, like Gomangusi. All these areas ezingama formalized areas ethu ezingamadolobha noma ngabe mancane kangakanani. We are saying umasipala ube accessible nezindlela zokukhokha ukuthi asiye nakwindlela zesimodern zokukhokha. Ukuze abantu bakwazi ukuthola ithuba lokuthi bakhokhe noma yiphi indawo abakuyona. So in terms of i-revenue yethu ilokho esithe sizokwenza. Ngicela ukujumpa quickly to izinto ezithinta i-service delivery. Mhlawumbe ngiqale ngeze cost containment bese ngithinta ngqo i-service delivery. In terms of i-cost containment, sinezinto eziningi esivumelene ngazo i-council ukuthi sizoziyeka ebezenzeka emkhandlwini. Angenza isibonelo njengokuyolala emahhotela ukuthi abasebenzi bomkhandlu bahambe bayolala emahhotela. We said we are stopping that. Ukuthi kuthiwa ayi sekuyahanjwa sekuya eThekwini sekuyiwa kuphi. We said we are stopping that because imali ekhona kufanele siyiqoqe sikwazi ukuyichanela towards service delivery. Uma kuhanjwa kuzohanjwa ngempela ngoba kunesidingo esisho ukuthi singafa uma ngabe kungahanjwanga. Ilento yama-traveling claims ebesiningi kakhulu is another area esizokhava kuwona ngoba iyawuhlupha umasipala. Ile yama-overtime sesiqalile ukwenza i-database yokuthi obani abakhokhela overtime kufanele yini bakhokhele overtime. Ukhokhela overtime ngoba kufanele ukhokhele overtime noma ingoba ese complementa isalary yakhe. Ngicabanga ukuthi kuyaziwa komasipala ukuthi those are serious challenges eziba khona. Uthola ukuthi umuntu uhola imali engaka but i-overtime akhokhela yena isi-more than even umholo wakhe. Uma uthi uyabuka ukuthi i-production ingakanani, uthola ukuthi i-production is very minimal. So we are saying we are going to be focusing on that, and we've got an intense program esiqalile ukuthi management ne-supervision kuzofanele ibe khona along those lines. So ngamanye amazwi akusezu kuba kwamachanga nje. Bese kuba into enkulu yokuthi in terms of staff esinaso, we are saying asibe ne-staff one competent and qualified. So we've already started a program njengoba Mayor ebesho ye-skills audit ukuthi ubani esinayo kwi-institution unamaphi ama-qualification, i-position ibifunani yena unani. So we've started that program. We are completing that report end of this week. We've asked abantu ukuthi basubmit ama-qualifications abo ne-experience yabo ukuthi ama-qualifications angakanani ne-experience engakanani. I know ukuthi it's one of the issues ezihlezi isusa umsindo komasipala, but we said we are going to do it because ezinye zezinto ezihinderisha i-service delivery ukuthi ungabi nabantu